Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing good, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. This is your bonus love reading for the month of March 2021. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope it resonates with you. But if it does not resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest, because this is the general bonus reading, so it is not going to resonate with each of you. So take whatever is resonating and leave the rest. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Okay, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Okay, Aquarius, I will be glad that I help you out in some manner, and I will try my level best to deliver all the messages which I am getting for you. So let's start your reading. Let's see what are the messages for my Aquarius. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages which are important for my Aquarius for this reading. Give me the messages which I need to deliver. Let's start your reading. What are the messages which I need to deliver? Owl, follow your intuitions, Aquarius. You need to follow your intuitions. And I'm sorry for adjusting myself. I can't still sit in this position. Okay. Yeah, follow your intuitions. You are right now very intuitive. You need to follow your intuitions. Bottom of the deck, I'm having go with the flow. Let things happen. You just go with the flow. Whatever things are happen, let them happen and go with the flow. Follow your intuition. So these two messages are there with this deck. Thank you for giving the messages. It just want to come out. See, owl again. So yes, follow your intuition. There are spiritual messages and great wisdom to be found during this period of transition. So beautiful message. You are having lot of intuitions, lot of intuitive messages. You need to follow your intuitions, Aquarius. Your intuitive power is right now very much activated. What are the messages for Aquarius? Give me the messages which I need to deliver. Dragonfly, have confidence during this time of renewal, joy and connection to the spirit. Beautiful message. Maybe you can see the dragonfly here. So you have to keep your confidence, because beautiful things are getting renewed in your life. What are the messages? Okay, that's it. Mountains, know that you are protected as you face challenges, but remain cautious. Okay, so you are protected, Aquarius, as you face challenges. Okay, so you have to keep your courage and confidence, because you are being protected here by the divine. There is judgment. Soul searching will bring inner peace to many areas of your life. In your main reading also, you can have a look in that too. There were a lot of judgment energy. Judgment card was there. Here I can show you that. Here judgment is here. Some kind of judgment is being made in your case. Either you are making a judgment for your life, or the divine is making judgment, because you are doing your soul searching. You're looking your answers from within yourself. So that's why this message is here. Beautiful messages. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let me see what are the messages from this deck. What are the messages? Success is coming towards you, Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages which I need to deliver. What are the messages which I need to deliver? Thunderbolt. Some kind of tower movement is going to happen for you, Aquarius. Things are going to change. Okay, see again, bottom of the deck, I'm having moment to movement. Go with the flow. Go with the moment to movement. Let the things happen. Okay, let the things happen. Just go with the flow. Go with the flow, let things happen, go with moment to moment, because maybe there are some unexpected changes which are going to happen in your life. This is the Tower movement, this is the divine intervention, when the divine intervenes in your situation. Okay, when the divine intervenes in your situation, so that you can make necessary changes in your life which are necessary for your life. And because after this thunder movement, maybe you are feeling this sorrow, the guilt, the sad energy, but don't worry, because healing is coming for you. And if you are in this energy of sorrow, you have to do your healing, Aquarius. You are requiring your healing, complete your healing. There is a new vision which is coming for you. See the picture from a higher perspective, see the bigger picture. That is the message which I am getting for you. See the bigger picture. Okay, whatever unexpected changes are coming for you, see victory again, the success and victory is here. So whatever situation are happening in your life, that is happening so that you can make necessary changes in your life that are important to make. Okay, don't feel sorrow, don't be in this energy of Five of Cup. Complete your healing. Healing is required for you, and there is a new vision which is coming for you. Beautiful messages. Thank you for giving the messages. The main message is that you have to go with the flow. Okay, so let's see what are the messages for Aquarius for this reading of March 2021. Beautiful cornucopia, abundance of beautiful things. This is prosperity, abundance, which is coming for you, Aquarius. Can you see number synchronicities of 1144? Woman holding a heart. Okay, someone wants to share their heart to you, Aquarius. Gender is not specific. Gender you can take according to your situation, but abundance is coming for you, Aquarius. Okay, beautiful things are coming for you. Okay, cornucopia is the beautiful card in this deck. Okay, woman holding a coin. Okay, there are two women which are being shown in this case here. There is woman holding a coin, a woman holding a heart here. So there are two offers which are coming for you, Aquarius, here. Wow, it just want to jump out and come out. And this is yin and yang. This is yin and yang here. This is someone here. Can you see? 1122, 1144 number synchronicities. So this is yin yang. There is a soulmate. This is a divine counterpart in these two. One, okay, one is wants to share their heart with you, one wants to give you a money offer here. Maybe this person, this girl is financially stable, grounded, she knows how to manage finances, and these two can be a same energy. This can be a same energy, that can be a possibility. And this can be two energies. Okay, two different offers. And the other one is, if it is not two offers, then this can be one energy. Okay, but this is your yin yang. Beautiful, beautiful. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's add some messages from the fairies, oracle of fairies. What are the messages for Aquarius? Wow, this is the fifth time I'm getting the card of transformation. See, Aquarius, whatever is happening in your life, that is happening because you are in a process of transformation. You are getting awakened. Okay, you're getting your wings to fly. Okay, so this fairy wants to tell you to surrender to the transformation in your life that is happening for your highest good. Embrace your transformation. The best is yet to come. Beautiful. The best is yet to come, Aquarius. And there is moderation. Try to eat as much as healthy you can, because maybe there is something you should not be eating. Try to eat mindfully and healthy, although the fairy says that a little bit of what you fancy is fine. Okay, so try to eat healthy as much as you can. And there is a twin flame, a divine counterpart, a soulmate, a yin yang, whatever you can call. There is a yin yang which is coming your way. Okay, Beautiful energies are here. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's add some message from the healing mantra. What are the messages for my Aquarius which I need to deliver for this reading? Give me the message. What are the messages for Aquarius? Embarrassing worthiness. I feel worthiness filling every cell of my body and it feels amazing. So this is a healing mantra which you can apply on yourself, Aquarius, that you feel worthiness. You feel worthiness filling every cell of your body and it feels amazing. So that is the healing mantra which I want to give you. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's add some message from the Grace cards. What are the messages for Aquarius? Help me out to deliver the message. What are the message? Devotion and support. Okay. Stay connected to the divine. Pray, express your gratitude, or ask for the help loud. Make the practice of devotion a daily habit. See, maybe you are requiring some kind of support or help, so you have to stay connected to the divine. Accept help. A divine, powerful, more magnificent than anything else that exists on the planet, is ready to support our every move. Okay, so you have to devote yourself to the divine, Aquarius. Okay, because support is here. 1122 was the recording reading time. Expect help from the divine, but you have to devote yourself to the divine. You have to ask for the support from the divine. Beautiful message from this deck. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's add some message from the native spirits. Let's see what are the messages for Aquarius. What are the messages? What are the messages for Aquarius? White buffalo. White buffalo. Let me read it out for you. This means abundance and security are flowing in your life. 1212 was the recording reading time. All things are possible. Balance and harmony prevail. You may be called upon to stand up for others, but you can do this because you have the support of many beings in the spirit realm. Okay, so you have to stand up for others too, Aquarius. Okay, and harmony, balance, abundance, prosperity is coming for you. Can you see, I told you that this is the beautiful card of cornucopia. This is abundance of everything. Abundance is coming for you. That is beautiful message which I got from this deck too. Thank you for giving the beautiful message. Let's add some message from the crystal spirits. Let's see what are the message for Aquarius. What are the message you want me to deliver to Aquarius for this reading? Orange calcite and petrified wood. Okay, maybe I cannot pronounce it right, but there is orange calcite, petrified wood. Let me read it out. Sorry if I pronounce it wrong, but I will try my level best to pronounce it right. Okay. This is creativity, the pleasure of birthing something new, sensuality and sexuality. This is a time for you to create something new. Use your creativity, Aquarius. You are having lot of creativity inside of you, so you have to use your creativity. Okay. There is patience, timelessness, patience and trust in the universe, time going with the flow. See, same message. You have to go with the flow, Aquarius. Okay, have trust in the divine plan. Go with the flow. That's the same message which I'm getting for you from this deck too. Petrified wood. Okay, this wants to tell you that you have to go with the flow. Trust the divine plan because they are having beautiful and the best plan for you. So beautiful message. Let's add some message from the Vintage Wisdom Oracle deck and then I'm closing out your reading. Let's see what are the messages for my Aquarius for this reading. Wow. Union. Union is coming for you, Aquarius. Bottom of the deck, I'm having love. Love is coming for you. Many of you are going to get union with your divine counterpart, with your soulmate. Here, abundance. Again, the abundance card is here. So, lot of abundance is coming for you. You are going to get union with your divine counterpart. So, this was the message from this deck. Thank you so much, Vintage Wisdom Oracle deck, for giving the beautiful messages. So, this was your bonus love reading for the month of March 2021. I hope I help you out in some manner, Aquarius. Sending you lots of love, happiness, healing energy, and light to all my Aquarius wherever you are in the world. Take care of yourself, Aquarius, and see you soon.